Have you ever taken a break, like light a candle, play with your sound bowls, open your journal, and still feel like you're doing something wrong? Well, let's talk about that. Hi, love. I'm Kat, somatic facilitator, intuitive hypnosis practitioner, sound and soul reclamation healer. I help women heal the parts of themselves they had to silence in order to survive. And I help them come home to who they truly are. You are too old to rest. You are too old to set boundaries. You are too old to take a bath, book the retreat, light the candles, do the self care thing. But what they don't tell you is that when you finally do those things, you might feel more guilt than relief, more anxiety than peace, more like a fraud than a queen. Do you know why that is? Because when you have spent your whole life proving your worth by doing, rest can feel like a failure. Stillness can feel like danger. Joy can feel like a betrayal. I remember when I first gave myself permission to rest, to really rest. Not just sleep, not just take a bath, but unplug. Be completely unavailable. Pour back into myself. And baby, it was hard. Not because I didn't need it, but because guilt kept whispering, you should be doing more. Someone needs you. This is selfish. If you're still watching right now, I see you. Drop a heart in the comments if this is landing for you. Or type no more guilt if you are ready to reclaim rest without apology. That lets YouTube know this message matters and it will help more women find it as well. That's when I realized self-care isn't just about candles and naps. It's about healing the part of you that learned love must be earned through exhaustion. It's about unlearning the belief that your rest must be justified. So if rest feels hard for you, it's not because you're broken. It's because your nervous system has been trained to feel safe in chaos and danger, not softness and safety. But we can rewire that. We can reclaim rest as our birthright, not as a reward, but as a requirement for a soul led life. If this resonates, it's because part of you is ready to come back to yourself, to unhook from guilt, to lay down the mask of strong all the time, to choose softness, slowness, stillness without apology. If you are craving a deeper reset, apply to my next Healed retreat. 4 days of restoration, reclamation, and alignment for women who give everything to everyone else. See the link below to apply. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, may you rest without guilt, rise with clarity, and remember who the hell you are.